my lips when I dips the whip. Some kinda like a player. Lip gloss on my lips when I dips the whip. I got a little something for you haters. Lip gloss on my lips when I dips the whip. See my girls, we shine.
Hey, I know what y'all thinking. I know what y'all thinking. You know, I ain't been on in a while, you know what I'm saying? Just been going through it. But you already know who it is. It's your girl Cherish. Cherish, 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 a cherish, 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 a ain't no stopping when you poppin'. And I'm back. I'm back, y'all. I took a little hiatus. I was going through it. Like, I wasn't liking life, you know, mental health wise, everything was like, I can't do it. So basically I quit my job. I quit a lot of things, and I quit my job without even getting a job, and I immediately had another job. Like, that's just how the universe works, you know. But I'm about to show y'all my little night routine. I'm about to take these down for one, and then just show y'all what I do for my face and stuff. But before we get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Your girl is back, y'all. Yes, I'm back. And it took me, it's been like a month. And guess what? Like, I love TikTok. Like, I didn't fell in love with TikTok. I forgot about YouTube. But I'm back. And I'm back to support my little friends on here. You know, I got four of them. Four of them, y'all. But anyways, I'm going to take this down. I was making a TikTok video. And what's funny is, you know, people that be wearing braids, we be like, my hair right here. When, you know, damn well your shit way up there.
Nah, my hair probably grow. Man.
So anyways, I'm still gonna be extra and cut it extra long. You feel me? Like, I already know my hair stop up there, but I'm still, cause I don't want to cut nothing off. You know, hair already short. You feel me? So just gonna take it down and watch this. It's gonna be short, but you can't be too. You gotta be careful. You know, you don't want to cut your hair, so. I'm gonna be extra, and I'm gonna cut where I know ain't no hair at. It's all good. Let me be great. Let me live, you know? Look at that. So this is like the longest I've had my braids in. Like, y'all, it's been 3 weeks. Well, let me stop. The longest I had my braids is a month. But it's been 3 weeks, and it's time for a new style. You know, I done got into the wig game. Love my wiggy wigs, y'all. Love my wigs. So, I think it's like 11 right now. I don't even know why I'm up. But it's been hard to sleep lately. Like, my mental health has not been right, y'all. Like, your girl got to get it together. You know, I got 2 babies. Got the babies, so I got to get it together. And just realize that I am that bitch. That queen. Let me stop, y'all. That queen. Okay? But, I'm gonna fast forward this. I'll be back, y'all. I forgot to tell y'all something. So, y'all know that I used to work at a mental health urgent care. And, you know, it was so much drama up there. Your girl had to quit. It was too much. Like, no. I wanted to do mental health because, you know, I suffer from depression. And, you know, I wanted to help people, but it's the employees. The employees got their own issues. And But anyways, I got a new job. I'm a behavior technician for autistic kids, and you know, on to new ventures, and I'm excited, y'all. It's something new. As y'all know, my son, he's autistic, so I'm excited. I'm excited to help other autistic kids, other kids with special needs, you know. I'm excited. And right now I'm going through training and it's super boring. Like, oh my God. But it's good information that I can use with my kids. So yeah. All right, so this is my last one. But you know, this new job, the only thing I don't like about it is that since COVID, I have to work at home. And my kids, they be popping in on the videos and they want stuff to eat, they want to play. And it's just, it be kind of stressful, you know? Like, we training for like 4 weeks at home. And then, even then, we're still going to be on the tablets teaching kids, like, how that's going to work. Like, I don't even know. But they doing it, so I don't know how that's going to turn out. We'll see. I'm on the last braid, y'all. On the last one. And I'm not washing my hair. I'm going to just let y'all know now. I am not washing this. I'm probably going to just slick it into one ponytail just so I can tie it down for in the morning. Tie it down for in the morning when I go to work. You know. Cause, oh, and then they be wanting me to wear professional clothes. So my top half be professional, and the bottom half be I'll be wearing leggings, y'all. Leggings. All right, so probably about to do something to this. Comb wasn't working out for me, and I know y'all probably like, ugh, she don't wash her hair. No, I don't need to. I wash it when I need to. Okay, I don't have to wash my hair every day. Some people do. Some people do it weekly. I do it monthly. And I don't feel like dealing with the curliness. When it's curly, it's just too much. It's too thick, and it's just I can't do. So I'm just about to do a ponytail. I'm gonna tie it down. So in the morning, I'm gonna just like wake up, brush my teeth, and you know all the extras. But the hair part will be out the way because I gotta get my kids ready. They do their classes too. So yeah. All right, so I parted it. My scalp is white. Parted it. I'm gonna have to put this wild hair growth stuff in it. Actually, there, it's kind of all over. So parted this section. I'm just gonna slick this part back. All right, so slick it to the ponytail. Make sure it's all smooth. All right, so this is what I got with my little ponytail, y'all. And I'm about to add some fake hair. I need some lashes. Lashes gonna make my life better. So I'm gonna use this hair. I forgot to tell y'all, I use this gel, Eco. That's all I used was gel, and that wild hair growth. There it is. And my kids are asleep right now. Like I said, it's like 11 over here. I don't really do how everybody else do. I'm just gonna do a feed in because my hair is thick and I don't have the time. I don't. So pretty simple. Hair is already trying to curl, but this is what I'm gonna do for tomorrow. Wear it like this. Of course, I'm gonna put some earrings on and, you know, make it bigger by pulling it out. So that's my braid. So next, I'm about to work on the face. I'm about to tie it down so I could be ready for in the morning. Be right back. Okay, I forgot about this. I got this little teeth whitening thing. I always wanted to try, so we're gonna try that. See if it works. It says for the upper and lower whitening strip, so we'll see. All right, so it came like this, but this one actually got stuck on there. So it kind of sticky too. All right, so you just let it sit. Okay, so while I'm doing that, for buffing brightness. This one is for acne. I've been getting a lot of little acne marks. You know, I just got off my cycle, so that's what happens to me, y'all. Okay, so then you just let it sit. So after the little acne thing, I am gonna put this moisturizing mask on, and after that I'm just gonna call it a night because it's already late and I gotta be up early to get the kids up, get them fed, and then it's time for me to do the work. So I'm gonna rinse this off and then I'm gonna come back. All right, again, so pat and dry. And I got a little water on my hair, y'all, so it's starting to curl. But it's time for that mask. And this is my last thing, I promise. My last thing. So it's a little mask. I'm kind of scared because my hair. Like, I kind of should have did my skincare before I did my hair. But it's all good. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it as best as I can. I don't want this shit on my hair. And I'm just gonna have it on for a little bit and I'll come back. All right, so I'm back. Left it on there for about 10 minutes. It has like a little tingling sensation, guys. Like, it tingles. But I look crazy. So look at the glow. Okay, That's pretty much it for, you know, the girls trying to pop out, y'all. That's pretty much it. I'm about to tie my hair up and I'm about to go to sleep. Anyways, I'm back, y'all. So all the people that supported me, thank you. It's mental health month, so I'm gonna be doing videos about mental health and I'm excited. Follow me on TikTok, Instagram. I don't really do my Twitter, like I haven't been on Twitter. Facebook, I really don't be on there. So my main ones is Instagram, TikTok. So follow me, y'all. It's been real. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video because I'm back, y'all. I'm back. Have a very productive day or night, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.